For over 30 years, my partners and I have helped companies develop natural alternatives to the harsh and toxic mainstream cleaners that are on the market today. We've seen countless companies come out with weak green solutions, or many that simply slap a green symbol on something that is marginally safe. Very few of these green solutions work. For years, we've been developing solutions for industrial applications in the wastewater, waste management, oil and gas, food processing, and agricultural sectors. We've worked hard to develop and test all natural cleaners that solve some of the harshest industrial problems around. Now, we're making them available to you. But it wasn't enough to just supply powerful all-natural formulas. We needed to make sure we also had a solution for the plastic packaging waste that is currently overloading landfills through regular one-time use spray bottles that the mainstream suppliers use. Hi everyone, I'm Bill Waters, co-founder and CEO of Xtreme Eco. At Xtreme Eco, we're working hard to not only provide you with the most powerful all-natural and safe products, we also want to do our part to reduce our carbon footprint. When you buy a mainstream cleaner at the store, 90% of the product is water, and the packaging may not be recyclable. At Xtreme Eco, we supply our products in concentrates and recyclable pouches, which not only helps reduce plastic waste, but also reduces the overall environmental impact caused by single-use spray bottles. But we didn't stop there. We have designed and submitted patents for a revolutionary dual pump spray bottle that can use our cleaning concentrates interchangeably. One bottle for all your cleaning. Imagine the amount of space you'll save in your cabinet. We've prototyped and tested our designs, and we are set to begin production shortly. Please, follow our journey for more updates.